Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the powerful and luxurious 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S, a high-performance SUV that's turning heads and breaking expectations. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or someone who loves luxury wrapped in muscle, this beast deserves your attention. The 2026 GLE 63S packs a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Together, they deliver a staggering 603 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.7 seconds, which puts it in the same league as some serious sports cars. And let's not forget, it's doing all this while weighing over 5,000 pounds. That's German engineering flexing at its finest. The power is channeled through a slick 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. It gives you insane traction, especially when launching hard or cutting through corners. Add to that AMG's active ride control with air suspension, and you've got a machine that can corner like a sports sedan and cruise like a luxury limo. Now, let's talk looks. The 2026 GLE 63S is bolder than ever. The Panamericana grille, aggressive front bumper, and quad exhaust setup scream performance, while the muscular stance and sleek LED lighting give it a modern and commanding presence. AMG exclusive wheels and subtle badging remind you that this isn't your average luxury SUV, it's something much more serious. Inside, Mercedes has pulled out all the stops. Premium materials are everywhere. Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and soft-touch surfaces give you a cabin that's both sporty and opulent. The seats are not only supportive during aggressive driving but also heated, ventilated, and massaging for when you just want to relax. The dual 12.3-inch digital displays, running MBUX with AMG-specific graphics, offer one of the sharpest infotainment experiences in the game. Voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and customizable drive modes make it both user-friendly and cutting-edge. Safety? Of course, it's loaded. You get the full suite: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for those long highway trips. Mercedes wants you to go fast, but safely. And let's not ignore the practicality. It's still an SUV at heart, offering plenty of cargo space, optional third-row seating, and towing capability. Whether you're heading to the track or just taking the kids to school, the GLE 63S handles it all with style and authority. In a world where performance SUVs are becoming more common, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S still manages to stand out. It's a perfect blend of AMG muscle, luxury refinement, and everyday usability. So, if you're in the market for a ride that can do it all without compromise, this might just be the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you take the GLE 63S over its rivals? Catch you in the next one.